Hello friends, you're welcome back again to our Chima Education video channel. In this short video, I want to show you this is a kind of introductory video on how to make money with Oree Solar. It's a newly launched money-making opportunity online. Please pay attention. It's just an introductory video. By the time you join, we're going to still show you a lot of videos about how to make deposits, how to withdraw, and so many of such. So let's pay attention to see how this work right away. Please, let's look at it one after the other. One of the things you are just seeing here and as one of the ways to earn money here, but then I'm not starting with this. Let me quickly show you exactly how the entire system works. So there are so many ways to make money on Oree Solar. The first step you take is to sign up. So as you're watching this video now, at the end of the video, you're going to take the video description and see the sign up link, the link for you to sign up. Once you sign up is very simple. The system asks you of your phone number, your password and all that, and you're going to see either the code, the referral code, or whatever. You sign up, very simple, and log in with your phone number as well as your password. Once you've done that, you're going to find yourself at this back office. Now, let's take it one after the other. One of the ways to make money here, number one, is daily check-in. You can see check-in here. Every single day when you log in online, click on that daily check-in, and you can earn any amount. It's random. Then another one where to make money also is gift code. This gift code you are going to be finding it daily on the system's Telegram group. When you click there and you visit the Telegram group and be part of the Telegram group, so every single day that gift code will be added. So just make sure you're one of those who gets it on time. You use it and you can earn any amount, and that is it. The another way to earn money is the lucky spin. The one I just opened right now. This lucky spin, once you open it and then you spin it, you can earn any amount, and that is so massive. In the course of time, we're going to prepare this video as you see one after the other how to earn money from this. But this is just an introductory video. Now, I'm just on the home page, and that's where you're seeing all of this. Whatever you are, if you want to read more about Oree Solar, you can click on about Oree Solar and read. Look at it. This is the earnings in case you've got something here already. Now, let's click on the second button down there, which is investment. Now, this is the major way to earn it because you need to put in your money. You make an investment that will now yield for you on a daily basis. The system makes it so simple. The minimum withdrawal is just 1K. So it's very, very possible for someone to quickly make 1K and make your first withdrawal and see how it is. Now, VIP 1 costs you 4,000 Naira. And that's why the minimum you can invest is 4K, since VIP 1 is 4,000 Naira. And the daily earn of that VIP 1 is 240 Naira. At the end of the day, 365 days duration, you must have earned 87,000 plus. VIP 2 pays daily 432 and it costs 10,000 Naira. Now VIP 3 costs 30,000 and pays you 1,440 daily. VIP 4 costs 90,000 and pays 4,560 daily. VIP 5 costs 200,000 and pays you 9,600 Naira daily. VIP 6 costs 500,000 and pays 26,400 Naira daily. You can see. Now, the question is, once you look at all of this, you make a choice of where you want to start, whether you're starting small or big. Remember, all of this is you understanding the right way to go about it. Someone might say, the best way to take my risk is to start bigger. Someone say, I take it small. You know the best way to go about it. Now, once you have made a mind, you make up your mind. Let's say, for instance, I want to start with VIP 3, which is 30K. What do? You can't just click on invest because nothing is in your account. You need to first of all go for deposit. So look at this button here that says menu. That's what you click. The button down there that says menu. Click on it. Let me show you. because you have to make your deposit first. So assuming I want to go for that VIP trade that says 30K or thereabout. So what do? I go here to click on deposit. Watch it now. See what you do. When you click on deposit, now select one. There's only one option for now. We're still paying with bank transfer. Later, they are going to be an issue of maybe crypto and all that. Now, all you need to do, this is the account number to copy. 549422913. Money Pounds is the bank. Then the account name is Oree Solar UK. Copy these things and now go to your payment whatever and pay it. Once you have made that payment, come here, click the amount you have paid, enter the sender's name, and click on proceed to payment. The whole thing will process instantly. And you're now going to see it's automatic. You will now see your money in this account. Once you see your money in your account, you now go back to invest and click on invest. You know what? Assuming you put in 30K, you understand? And then there's that 30K on your account. Immediately you click on the 30K investment pack, the system automatically, cut off the amount you have there. You would have seen that deposit here now, 30K. So once you click on invest, it cuts it off and your investment starts running. On a daily basis, you see yourself earning it. So when it comes to withdrawal, but these are the videos we're going to prepare practically. Practically in the sense, as we are doing it, you see it. So they understand it, the process will be so clear. But these are the introductory video to show you what to do. The next thing, the question someone will be asking is, how do I refer people? Because it's very important. When you join something like this, you want to tell your friends about it, and not only because you want them to know, but you also want to gain some things like referral bonus. So click on my team. That's the third button down here. Click on my team. Under that particular page, you are going to find all your referred downlines. It doesn't stop there. That's where you're going to find your referral link. So it's opening up now. Once you open up, let me show you what you're going to find in that place. So once you open, I look at it. This is your referral code. When you give someone this code, by the time the person is registering, the system will request for 4 things: phone number, password, input password again, and then referral code. The person should just attach the referral code. But I will always suggest you give people your referral, link, because when they go through your referral link, automatically that referral code will be where it's supposed to be. A lot of people, when you give them their referral code, they may have misplaced it. When they get there, they will find it difficult. Maybe they even go and get someone's referral code and join, and you are saying, the system didn't pay me my referral bonus and all that. So give your referral link by copy URL instantly, and whoever you drop it with, signing up with that becomes your referral, and you earn referral commission. Your first level referral pays you 10%, second level is 5%, and third level is 2%. So building team here makes so much sense, and you're going to be seeing everything line by line. Your first level, what they deposit, your withdrawal, everything, the team size, and that's how fine and wonderful the system is. So built, everything is so transparent. So this is exactly what it takes to join. And let me tell you before I round off this video, this system is newly launched. And if you have been an online person doing business, all this money making opportunity, if there's any time to join, it's now. Don't say, I'm watching, I'm waiting. No, this is not the year to start doing that. Join now and let's make this money together. You're going to find my referral link on this video description. Please use it and be part of my team so that I can be there to coach you and to guide you. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. With digital stuff like this, I will give you business and financial advice that will guide you. We're always there. You can also contact me through my number you see on this video on my WhatsApp so that we can talk more on this. You can ask your questions. If you like this video, don't fail to give it a thumbs up. I wish you the best. I stop here now. Thanks. for watching. God bless you.